Understanding Scholarship Appeal, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very specific but important phrase in the English language: scholarship appeal. This term is particularly relevant for students and those involved in academic pursuits. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what this phrase means but also how to use it in context. Let's get started. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts: scholarship and appeal. A scholarship is a financial grant given to a student to help pay for their education. Scholarships are often based on academic achievement, but can also be awarded for other reasons such as community service or specific talents. An appeal, in this context, refers to a formal request to reconsider a decision. It's often used when someone disagrees with a decision and wants it to be reviewed. Now, let's combine these two concepts. A scholarship appeal is a process where a student requests a review or reconsideration of a decision regarding their scholarship. This could be due to various reasons. The scholarship was not awarded, and the student believes they meet the criteria. The amount awarded is less than expected or needed. The scholarship was revoked or reduced, and the student wants to challenge this decision. Understanding when and how to make a scholarship appeal is crucial. Typically, a student might appeal after receiving a scholarship decision they wish to contest. If there has been a significant change in their circumstances, like financial hardship. The process usually involves writing a formal letter or completing a specific form provided by the scholarship committee. It's important to clearly state the reasons for the appeal. Provide any relevant supporting documents. Be respectful and professional in the appeal. To increase the chances of a successful scholarship appeal, keep these tips in mind. 1. Understand the guidelines. Every scholarship has its own set of rules and criteria. Make sure you understand these before making your appeal. 2. Be clear and concise. Your appeal should be straightforward and to the point. Avoid unnecessary details. 3. Provide evidence. If you have documents or other evidence to support your appeal, include them. 4. Be polite and respectful. Remember, the decision makers are more likely to respond positively to a respectful appeal. I hope this video has clarified what a scholarship appeal is and how you can effectively approach one. Remember, it's about presenting a strong, well-supported case for reconsideration. Good luck with your scholarship pursuits, and see you in our next English learning video.